Want to save more battery on your Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra? Here's how to quickly enable power saving mode in a few tabs and extend your battery life. Open the settings applications. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're inside settings, scroll down a little and tap on the battery section. This is where all power related features are managed. Now you will see the option called Power Saving or Battery Saver. Tap on it to open the menu. At the top of the screen, you will notice a switch button. Simply tap the switch to turn Battery Saver on. Once activated, your phone will immediately start optimizing background activity to help extend battery life. Below the main switch, you will also see two different modes, Standard and Maximum. If you choose Standard mode, your phone will slightly reduce background processes, limit some visual effects, and improve battery life without affecting normal usage too much. On the other hand, Maximum mode is more aggressive. It reduces performance, limits apps, and disables extra features to give you the longest possible battery backup. Select the mode that fits your needs and you are all set. Your Samsung Galaxy will now run more efficiently and last much longer on a single charge.